Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? This is your social studies class today. Okay, open your book and take out page number 75, all of you. As we had already started unit number 7, making a better world. So now look at chapter number 7. So we have to discuss about chapter number 7, conflicts and resolution. Today we will discuss about conflicts and resolutions. So mention the date, day and classwork properly. Then we will start over reading. So the name of the chapter number 7 is conflicts and resolution. So first of all, we should know what does mean of conflicts and resolution. So conflicts mean disagreement. Conflicts mean disagreement. And resolutions mean a firm decision that you have to do or not do. कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स का क्या मीनिंग है हमारे पास? डिसएग्रीमेंट, तनाज़ा, यानी किसी चीज़ पर जब हम एग्री नहीं होते. एंड रेजोल्यूशंस मीन अ फर्म डिसीजन, एक ऐसा फैसला या तो आपने करना है और या फिर नहीं करना. सो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स एंड रेजोल्यूशन. इन दिस चैप्टर वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स एंड रेजोल्यूशन. अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू द मीनिंग ऑफ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स, डिसएग्रीमेंट, एंड रेजोल्यूशंस मीन अ फर्म डिसीजन that you have to do or maybe not do. So let's start reading some common conflicts. You can see here on page number 75, you have given two pictures. Definitely these pictures shows you this is the example of conflicts, disagreement. Okay, so now let's start reading. Sometimes people disagree over issues. They can disagree over small or big things. A disagreement is called a conflict. Conflicts can happen between people, cities and countries exactly. It doesn't mean only this, that conflicts just happen between the people. It also can happen between cities and also countries. We have so many examples. Like you can take example of Pakistan and India. So come on the next page. Children disagree with each other nearly every day. This can lead to arguments and even fights. ऐसा ही होता है in the class when the child they are showing their eagerness. So what does they do? They actually showing disagreement. So you can take example from this picture. They both are showing conflicts in the class. So it always can lead to disagreement and even fights. So come here, you can see here you have given the statement about this picture. The picture above shows Sarah and Umar fighting because both want to play the video games. This is a familiar situation in most houses exactly. They want to play a game, video game. So it makes a conflict between both of them. And this is the same familiar situation in the most houses. Come on the last paragraph. Conflicts happen in school as well. Children can fight with each other due to many different reasons. Pushing each other in the corridor or playground causes a conflict situation. Students can have a conflict because one child borrowed an other's pencil without asking. Definitely these you can say these all are the common things that can happen in the school or in your classes. Sometime you all are pushing each other while you are playing, or sometime you are fighting in the class, or sometime your friend took your pencil without permission. So this it makes a conflict between you and your friend. So it is about conflict. Conflicts mean disagreement. ठीक है, जिस चीज़ पे फिर आप एग्री नहीं करते. सेम एज यू कैन सी हेयर द पिक्चर. इमरान हैज़ ईटन राबियाज लंच. दिस इज़ अ कॉमन कॉन्फ्लिक्ट सिचुएशन एग्जैक्टली in the classroom. this is a very common conflict situation. So hope all of you understood very well about the conflicts. So now come on your workbook page number 53. Come on your workbook page number 53. All of you open your workbook page number 53. Mention the classwork, day and date. You have given here 3 boxes with the given lines. So prepare your page and then we will discuss about this question. Okay. So look here. Draw the situation of a disagreement in each box and write underneath it a clear explanation of what is happening and the reason for the conflict. Okay. You have given here the boxes. Conflict at home, कि घर पे किस वजह से बहस हो जाती है और sometime हम disagreement show करते हैं. Then conflict at school, then conflict in the neighborhood. So first of all we will write about conflict at home. So you have to write here, when some people disagree over issues, whether they are small or big issues, so conflicts can happen between them. Definitely it can happen at homes. So in the box you have to draw the situation of a disagreement at home. आप कोई भी expression यहाँ पर बना सकते हैं. Okay. You have to do it by yourself with the help of internet or any other resource. So then you have to write about conflict at school. Pushing each other while playing can cause a conflict situation. This is an example, conflict at school. And also you draw here any example of conflict at school. According to this statement, pushing each other while playing can cause a conflict situation. Then the last one, conflict in the neighborhood. Exactly, in the neighborhood. When we are not careful about hygiene and throw garbage in front of others' doors. So this is the main cause of conflict in the neighborhood. So you can draw here any sketch of garbage, and you can also draw the door or any house. Show conflict in the neighborhood. So student, this is about the exercise of conflict. You have to do this workbook page number 53. You have to copy all these statements on your workbook. Inshallah, we will discuss about more conflicts and resolution in our next class. Allah Hafiz.